Yes, so we just put 星期, 星期 and then the detail at the end. So for instance, 星期一 would be weekday 1, basically. So that would be Monday. And then we can count upwards from there. We can say weekday 2 or week, literally then week 2. It doesn't mean week 2 as in the second week. It just means week and then number 2, which refers to Tuesday here. 星期二. Wednesday would be 星期三. The fourth day of the week would be Thursday, so that would be 星期四. And then Friday is the fifth day. And let's take a listen at that. Anne will actually tell us that one. Thank you very much, Anne.
Friday. 星期五, the fifth day of the week. 星期五, Friday. And it is an American restaurant.
Then Saturday would be 星期六, as in the sixth day of the week. And Sunday, if we move on to Sunday, this is the only exception so far. It should be 星期七. It sounds a bit weird though, can you hear it? Because the last part of week, 星期, is pronounced exactly the same as 7. 星期七, it would sound very weird. What we do there instead is, this is the only exception, we say day. So 星期 day. And day, there's two words for this, there's two characters. There's either 日 or we say 天. Again, the most common one is probably going to be 天 in this case. So start using that one instead of 日. However, both are okay. 星期日 or 星期天. Wonderful. And that is Sunday now. So we can count them through. We say week 星期一, 星期二, and all the way up to 星期六, Saturday. And then we say 星期天. Okay, so my question now, or what we can say is, it's actually not a question, let me just tell you a nice little sentence. Today, for instance, today is a Wednesday. So let's say today is Wednesday. 今天是星期三. 今天是星期三. Today is Wednesday. 今天是星期三. A wonderful little word or sentence that we just learned. Well done, well done.
可以了，你跑进来，出来。很高兴认识你。Look, you can see her face now. 很高兴认识你。